When you know me not trouble people. The most me do I laugh and everybody laugh off of people. That's normal, right? Alright then, go sub up now. I'm say Tommy, oh, I'm not the pan of flyer. I'm say call the people them now. Sometimes we have to play the bigger person. You understand me? Call the people them and see what go on now. She say, alright then. Go so boops, back run on one part and make 2 phone calls. When she made the call, she asked them, same like how me asked, why am I not on it? So, when she mentioned my name, them asked, who is pretty? So, she sent picture, video, whatever. A man say, oh, time control. Because they said I'm conflict of interest. So you know what that mean. Who they on the show? And our blonde hair and our attack. Yo, me I tell you, man. Why would you do that though? Why would you do that though? Sisters, what kind of conflict maybe? See me I walk at trouble people? Eh? See me I walk at trouble people, man? I just want to walk and stifle people. Look at them personality, you know. Remember some girl couldn't find themselves and you have to make them know so them is a lady. Right? So you're ungrateful, sir. Oh, me come to be conflict of interest. Oh! Oh! We are trouble me for. We are trouble me for. We not trouble me for. Rebel, yeah. Remember you make people know if you put on with head and say wear a wig and then look good and understand me?
Dolly bring out the best in the cricket. Dolly
You're going to get a time out. You're going to get a time out.
Go suck your mother, go well ensure and go suck your ma. Go suck your ma. We are.
Mommy don't know, can you see? No, like for real. Like for real. You never see me at trouble people yet? I'm for be conflict of interest. You see me then we are war man? All who not catch it on the live? Rebel say this moment. Yeah, that's why I never see me. I remember I know a long time. I'm telling you something, I'm going to tell you after, right? If you want to style for the doll, and dolly make Pitney happy, you have to do that. And I know.
Murder!
Eh? No. And the people them on the life can testify to that. You don't ever hear me at trouble people.
I'm never going to troublemaker, darling.
The most me do a laugh of people. Everybody laugh of people. I'm not pine pine and laugh of you, make you say. Me do it behind your back. We all laugh. We're human beings. So, oh, me now. I say, I plan with my friend, I say, I say for some face, I want to angle it. You understand me? Because remember the dolly say, skit, you know. Remember the dolly go acting, you know. So you know what time it is, you know. Costume and change and Kendall over there son, Big Mama doll over there son, and beer things. Me I look forward to it. Suppose I did my shine this. Really. Suppose I eat me did that way. Suppose I eat me did that way pan. I just want to walk and sabotage people and walk and take people winnings from them more while, and some people just feel like say them can't go on no more and I eat this for them. You understand me?